Let's practice some sight words. Try to remember them because we're going to play a game at the end. 1. 1. What? What? When? When? How? How? Little. Little. Who? Who? Like. Like. Look. Look. All right, excellent job. Now, I'm going to give you some time before I say the word to see if you can try to remember what it said. Ready? Okay. 1. Can you say that with me? Say it with me. 1. Good. Next one. What? Can you say that word with me? What? Next one. When? Good. Say it with me. When? How about this one? How? Can you say that with me? How? Little. Can you say that with me? Little. Who? Say that word with me. Who? Like. Say it with me. Like. Okay, last one. Look. Repeat that with me. Look. Now we're going to mix them up and I'm going to give you another chance to try to remember what they say. Just remember, these are tricky. You have to practice over and over and over again, and then you're going to start remembering them, and it's going to feel so good when you're reading. All right, first word. Do you remember it? Look at the T at the end, that might help. What? Good, the word is what. So ready, what is it? What? Good. All right, let's look at this next one. Do you know what it is? How? Say it with me. How? Next one, do you remember this one? Who? Good, say it with me. Who? Good. Do you remember this one? Yes, it's little. Good, say that with me. Little. Good job. Okay. Next one. Do you remember this one? Look at the last sound, see if that helps. It's when. Say that with me. When. The next one. It says one. Say it with me. One. Okay, this one is look. Say it with me. Look. And the last one before you play our game. Do you remember what this one says? Yep, it's like. Good job. like. Now we're going to play our game. Let's look at this first word. This word is one. See if you can find the other one on the screen. Do you see it? Yep, there it is. Good. Now let's look at this next one. What? Do you see what? There it is. Good. Next word. When. When. Yep, there's when. And how. Yep, there's how. All right, now that you know how to play, I'm going to start mixing up the words. And little. Yep, there's little. Who. Yep, there's who. Like. Look. Good job finding them. Okay, so now I'm going to make this as tricky as possible. I'm going to put every word on there and mix them up every time. What? When? Look. One. Little. Like. How. The last one. Who. Right. Really good job learning those very tricky sight words. Just remember to keep practicing. It feels so good when you start remembering words when you're reading. I'll see you next time for the next video.